Imagine one morning you wake up and hear screams and noises outside. Monsters have attacked your city. Fortunately, you have a radar and a powerful laser gun. The radar can give you an array of speed and distance of each monster from your house. The laser gun, once fully charged, can eliminate a single monster. However, the weapon takes 1 minute to charge. Write a code to return maximum number of monsters you can eliminate before they reach you or they are all dead. Well, here's the summary of the question. If you find the problem interesting, give it a go. Try out in your own way, in your own favorite language. If you find programming is difficult and complicated online articles are making it worse, visit letstacle.com. Here we produce beginner-friendly coding contents in Java, C++, Python, JavaScript, maths, and more. We are ready to help you with your homeworks and assignments. For better understanding, try our one-to-one tutorial where you can solve your doubts with live sessions from subject experts. Check out the link in the description now. Well, in this problem, we are given two arrays, speed and distance. Straight away divide the distances by speed to find the time when each monster will reach you. Remember, the gun takes 1 minute to charge, so we must eliminate the monster that is going to reach you earliest in time. Therefore, let's sort the time array and start eliminating one monster every minute in the order of their arrival time. In the loop, if we find that a monster reaches before the gun is ready to fire, return the count of monsters eliminated so far. Else, we increase the kill count by 1. If the loop ends, it simply means that all the monsters have been eliminated. Points to remember. Point 1. Initially, the gun will be charged and ready to fire. Point 2. The time will be a fraction, though speed and distance are integer arrays. That's it. Really simple solution. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Comment below if you have any particular problem that you want to be explained in the next video. Bye for now. See you soon.